Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's cheap easy mod video we're going to be going over how to make your own custom door cards like these ones just here. So yeah, I forgot to film the first bit. Anyway, so I've taken the door card off. You've got two sections here. These fit on top of each other and you've got a number of screws going into these points here. All we're doing is working our way around, peeling it off. We've already done one, as you can see there. And then on the bottom of here, there's little metal latches. Just on the bottom of these, you just want to bend them up and then you can take off this top bit. So we've removed everything. We've painted the actual door card, the wooden bit of the door card, with yacht wood wax or varnish, just to help it be waterproof and resistant to whatever's going to happen, because MX5s are great, but they're not the most waterproof cars out there. So pretty much the plan for it is going to be quilted down here and then swayed across the top. This will come off and be sueded, and then same with the other bit running on the other side. I'll keep that swayed right the way across. I kind of want to suede this because it'll look cool, and same with this. So yeah, suede this, suede this, suede this, and it'll just keep up with the colours right the way through the car in theory. So as you can see, the door card actual piece of wood is covered with yacht varnish. And the reason I've done that is because it's waterproofing aspects of it, so that's going to keep it nice and protected, hopefully. If we do get any water inside the car, I'm not planning on it, but better safe than sorry, and while it's all out, I might as well just do it. We're then now going to go from this, which is just the plain black leather, to this nice little bit of micro suede faux. I kind of ended up going with red, with black, sorry. I was thinking about going red right the way around, but I thought it might be a little bit too much. But that can always be changed anyway. So first thing you need to do is get your material. We'll move this one out of the way, just so you can see the rear, the back side. That's kind of basically what it looks like in comparison to that one. So you basically just follow the same material right the way around. These bits you remove, so they're just over here. So these actually clip on, like so, and fit in around the top of the window, basically. That's what they're designed for and what they end up doing. Hopefully you can see the little setup we've got. Basically, we've just got black bin liner, which is clean, ripped apart, fit everything through it. Try to fit in these ones so I don't rip into crap. And then spray adhesive, a glove if I need it, and some wipes, because if you get the spray glue on the outside on that part of the material, the quicker you get to it to remove it, the less chance of you staining it. So we've cut around a rough guideline right the way around, and left about whatever that is, that triangle bit we need to cut along here. So yeah, cut along here, but you want to leave about an inch and a half right the way around, because when it curves around it's going to fit quite nicely in theory. So we'll get on that. I'll trim this little area and we'll be ready to go. So what we're doing is literally just going around, peeling up slightly, pulling tight, flattening it like so. Hopefully you can see that. Like so, like that. Make it as smooth as possible. We'll just work our way along doing that. So that didn't go perfect, not as good as the first one. Unfortunately, you can see there's a few marks here that are glued. So we'll see. If it bothers me too much, I'll just do it again. I've got enough material anyway, so that's how you make the top part of the cards. You then want to obviously go around, just cut out the little holes. Yeah, it's not great. This is nowhere near as good as the first one. Sod's law, isn't it? Yeah, so you want to go around and cut out your little holes for everything attaches to the joint, so I'll do that. Right, so we're now going to attach these bits back in, you've got the little holes and everything. Just make sure you cut them out to line them up. And yeah, we'll slide them all in, and then basically it goes in like so. These little pins bend back the opposite way, and that locks it and stops it moving. Also adds a bit more support up here. In terms of the bit that's a bit damaged because of the glue, hopefully you can, I don't know if you can actually pick it up, you might be able to see the light bit. I'm going to see what it looks like in the car. If it looks okay and I'm happy with it, then I'll leave it. If not, then I'll redo it. But it's just annoying that the first one, once it's all back together, I'll show you the comparison between both. Alright, so that is the top of the door card done. This is the one I did today. The mistake on it, you see the glue. We'll put it in the door and see what it looks like. Obviously it's not going to look perfect because it doesn't have the rest of the door card on it. Let's pop it in and see. It's the second one. Yeah, it doesn't look fantastic. I don't know, I'll work on that. Can't really be bothered to wrap the whole thing again. But I might have to, so we shall see what happens with that one. Alright, and now we're on to doing the door cards. So the door cards themselves have all been treated. They've had some yacht varnish on. All you need is your adhesive, the material you're going to use. So we've got some pleated leather. You can see. So yeah, some nice pleated leather, cushioned and all of that. And then what I've done, as you can see, is just cutting out the rough area, and then we're going to trim it a bit better to size. See, we've given it about an inch. An inch to an inch and a bit, right the way around. Yeah, that's basically how it will work. You just double check that everything's going to fold over how you want it to. All of these holes we're going to remake, don't you worry. And the same down here. What I did was took a photograph of what it looked like when it was all connected up, so I knew where all the bolts and stuff go. Because they're in a separate box, which will all click in. We're not going to worry about cutting a hole here. We're going to put a little cross here, and then a little hole here, just for our toe pull strap, which you'll see as that all goes in. Grab yourself your adhesive, give it a good shake, and this is the scary bit. I get that first bit kind of just down and round. And you can tell if you've done it right. As you can see, each of these triangles are about the same distance up to the bottom triangle bits. Each of these bits are about the same amount folded round, which should mean it's flat on the other side. And you just work your way around the corners. Normally I'll pre-fold it like that, work out where the cut needs to go, and you've got a slight nice little cut in, just to help it fold. Right, so what we've got to do now is go along and start locking in. These go in like so. Grab yourself a tool that you can make nice little holes with, and do the same just along the top where all the screw points would go. Time to make a hole for this. What you do, basically that's going to go in there. So all we need to do is make a nice diamond, or a star in the middle, like so. That. final stretch. It's all coming out together. So what we've done is attached a screw here, screw here, screw here, and screw here. Should have one here and one here, but I've run out of screws, so yeah. So one there, one there, one there, one there. Should have one here and one here. Probably should move that one there, but hey, it's going to be fine. If we turn this over, should now be able to see your final door card. Let's just hide that in there. There is actually a bolt or like a plastic washer clip that goes through there, but I don't have it, and I did it on the other car, on the other side, and it looked really good, so I'm in the shadow annoyingly, but that's what it looks like. We're going to actually install it. That is it. That's it in. Done. Finally. I'm pretty happy about it come out. That's the first time I've ever... That's the first time I've ever done anything like that. Anything like that, and that's where the speakers are going to get upgraded. Needs a wipe down now, but yeah, so that is the end of the cheap easy mods for upgrading your interior, making your own custom door cards. Oh, push that in. Yeah, making your own custom door cards and custom bash bar. Thank you all for watching. Have a lovely rest of your day. Like, comment down below if you've got any ideas of what could be next, and hope you're all staying safe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.